Hello viewers, I am Dr. Sampath Kumari. I am retired professor from Institute of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Chennai, and I was the FOXI Adolescent Committee chairperson during the period 2015 to 2018. I am going to talk about the teenage problems on July 7th at 3 to 4 p.m. Why the teenage problems are important. Now, in this population, today's population, 22% of the populations are teenage. And as per research, it may increase up to 30 to 35% in 2030. So the teenage problems are very important. The topic I am going to cover it. First is the nutrition health, about the importance of breakfast and how to take about the fast food and the normal food. Next, about the menstrual health. The menstrual health I will be covering the important problems of the teenagers such as dysmenorrhea, polycystic ovarian disease, and about the mental health. Here I will cover about the depression and the suicidal tendencies among the teenagers and the habits. Next I will talk about the sexual health. We have to cover about the good touch and the bad touch in the sexual health, and now it is considered a safe touch and unsafe touch. Finally, I am going to tell about the teenage pregnancy, what are all the complications and how to avoid it, and about the teenage abortions and about the contraceptions that can be used to avoid the teenage pregnancy. Thank you. I thank Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, FOXI President, for initiating the program, and the Zydus for granting the education grant, and the Dark Mode for the education platform. Thank you.